Everyone dreams of living in Runda, and that's why we bring you this affordable home for you and your family. Let us have a look. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And this is your outside area or the exterior. Look at the cladding. Isn't it beautiful? Tell me what you think about it. And that is your parking lot. It is cabro paved and can accommodate about 3 or 4 cars. Look at the high glass windows, allowing a lot of natural light into your house. Look at the facade, and that is now your entire home. It is very nice. Look at the plants on the second floor. There are only 6 units in the compound. Is this not the dream that you've been living or dreaming of? Only Kenyan shillings 55 million. We have one unit remaining, and it is a 5 bedroom, all-ensuite, plus a servant quarter. And as you can see, you have a backyard garden. Now let's go inside. This is your entrance, opens to the living room, and that is your stairs. Here you'll have a glass for security purposes going up to the other floors. So your stairs overlooks the living room and the garden. Look at the quality, it's wooden stairs. And there is your garden. The units, there are 6 units on 1 acre, 5 bedroom, all-ensuite, plus a servant quarter. Look at the cladding. I think I like the blend of colors that the developer has used. And also, he has offered you a lot of space, as you can see in the living room and in the other rooms that you'll see above. Tell me what you think of the stairs, the quality of the materials used, and typically the workmanship. You also have an outside kitchen that you can use to cater for your guests in case you're hosting at your backyard garden. In this video, I'll appreciate the cladding all the times I come across it. We're going back to the house now. I hope you have enjoyed your garden. And now, this is your stairs as viewed from the living room. And below it, there's some storage. Also, remember this house is 3 levels. So you have some provision for a lift so that it becomes easier to maneuver when you're in the house. This is the guest bathroom. Look at how spacious it is. For your guests, they don't have to go up floors to access the bedrooms. And this is your kitchen. Look at the storage. I think this is adequate. More than adequate because it lies on both sides and actually facing the living room. And it has a servant quarter on the ground floor. That is your servant quarter, quite spacious for a servant. And this is very adequate given the modern days spacings. Here is another look at your living room and your backyard garden. The kitchen in full view and the storage. Remember, it comes fitted, and that is where you can place your fridge as well as microwave and other electronic appliances. Look at the double sink. Here is your fitted cooker and extractor. Look at the quality of storage spaces. They have used good quality materials for the countertops as well as the storage. This is your cooker. A zoomed view of the cooker. What do you think about the cooker, guys? Is it adequate for a 5-bedroom townhouse? There is a storage. I think this is, for me, it's quite adequate. We're going up to the first floor. This is the lift area. Remember, the elevator, it's on an extra cost. It's on top of the 55 million. You request the developer to fit you your preferred lifts so that the maintenance become easy for you. This is the first bedroom. Look at how spacious it is. I think one thing that this developer did not compromise is ensuring that all your rooms are well lit and you don't have to have the lights on during the day. This is a Jack and Jill washroom, shares with the bedroom. Tell me what you think of the vanity and the toiletries. I think I like the quality of the WC and everything that the developer has used in the toilets. Also, I love the floor. Look at the color they have chosen. This is this is wooden floor, and you also have good views because this area is controlled. You're facing mansions, and remember, it touches an access road. These are your views. Very awesome views and rare to find in modern days. Okay, this is bedroom 2 and 3, which share a balcony. Look at how spacious they are, and they also have some very good views facing your neighboring townhouses. Look at the floor. This is bedroom 3. Look at the windows, the lighting, enough socket provisions, and enough space for your bed. This is a vanity area. Look at the quality of finishes. I think this developer didn't compromise on the quality, and you're getting these at only Kenyan shillings 55 million. Now we're headed to the master bedroom. This is where all your 55 million comes in. Remember, the place had not been done when we visited the place, so that's why you still have newspaper wrappings. But this now is your master bedroom. Look at the wooden floor, the space, the high ceiling window, floor to ceiling window, the views, a lot of greenery in the neighborhood. Because this is a controlled area, you can only do townhouses or units on quarter or half an acre. This is a lot of greenery, if you ask me. I would like to live here. And personally, I think this is suitable for someone moving from an apartment to a townhouse, or someone running away from the crowded areas of the city to a now more serene location that is not too expensive. More views from the hallway. And now we are heading to the second floor. Look at the wooden stairs. They are slightly spiral. And this is now your topmost floor. I love the views. I love the neighborhood. This is Runda Paradise. Look at your neighbors. These are very rich people, as you can see from the buildings. So you're coming into a secure neighborhood, and you're not only moving into a safe neighborhood, but as well getting yourself next to a very good community. Wadi Degla is next to this place. You also have Sabis International School. You have Sitam Church. You have PCA Church. You also have public schools within the vicinity. This can be a bedroom, but at the moment is the developer had envisioned a family room. Apart from that, remember you can access Westlands and Kiambu Road easily. using either Rocker Road and then Red Hill, or you can just use Kiambu Road. The place is quite accessible, just about 300 meters that is not tarmacked. Look at the greenery, look at your neighborhoods, look at your views. All this coming to you at 55 million. The good thing with this area, it is controlled. You'll not find apartments. You'll not find shoddy houses coming up. Hence, you are assured that this is quite a good location for permanent residents. And that's all. Kindly give me your reviews for this unit. For Kenyan shillings 55 million, let us engage. Let me learn what you are looking for and give me your thoughts on it. And thank you for 500 subscribers. We're looking for more. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is not the only beautiful home that you'll see in my channel. Thank you.